In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track invites on Discord. If you manage a Discord server, keeping track of your invite links can help you better understand how members are joining your community. Discord includes built-in invite management tools that allow you to view important details about every active invite. You can see who created each invite link, how many times it has been used, and whether it has an expiration date. This information is especially useful for community managers, moderators, and anyone who wants to keep their server organized and monitor its growth. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to check your invite links. You can quickly find it from the list of servers displayed along the left side of the application. Once you've opened the correct server, look at the top of the channel list and click on the server name. This will open a menu containing several server management options. From the menu, select Server Settings. This section contains the tools you need to manage your server, including roles, moderation features, permissions, and invite management. If you have the required permissions, you'll be able to access all of these settings. Inside Server Settings, locate the Invites section and click on it. Discord will display a list of the active invite links that have been created for your server. This page provides useful information for each invite, making it easy to review how your server is being accessed. As you browse the list, you'll be able to see who created each invite link, how many times it has been used, and its expiration settings. If your server has multiple moderators or administrators creating invite links, this information helps you identify which links are being shared and which ones are responsible for bringing new members into your community. You can also review the expiration settings for each invite. Some links may expire after a certain amount of time or after reaching a specific number of uses, while others may remain active for much longer. Comparing these settings makes it easier to stay organized and understand which invites are intended for temporary use and which ones are meant to remain available. If you notice an invite link that you don't recognize, or one that has received more uses than expected, you can review it and decide whether it should remain active. Regularly checking your invite list helps you maintain better control over who joins your server and keeps your community management more organized. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to track invites on Discord and view valuable information about the invite links associated with your server. Monitoring your invites regularly can help you better understand your server's growth and keep access to your community well managed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,